In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Outlook password step by step. This is useful if you think your account security has been compromised, if your password is too old, or if you simply want to keep your Microsoft account protected. Since Outlook is connected to your Microsoft account, changing the password here updates it everywhere, including Outlook email, OneDrive, and other Microsoft services. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type account.microsoft.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official Microsoft account management page. Here, sign in using the Microsoft account email address associated with your Outlook account. Enter your email and current password, then complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Microsoft account dashboard. From here, look at the top menu or the left-hand navigation pane and click on Security. This section is where Microsoft lets you manage account protection settings like passwords, sign-in activity, and verification methods. Inside the Security section, look for an option called Password Security or Change My Password. Click on that option to continue. Microsoft takes security seriously, so before you can change your password, you'll need to verify your identity. At this stage, Microsoft will ask you to complete two-factor authentication. This could be a code sent to your phone number, an email verification, or approval through the Microsoft Authenticator app, depending on how your account is set up. Enter the verification code when prompted and confirm to proceed. After your identity is verified, you'll be taken to the Change Password page. Here, you'll see three fields. First, enter your current password. Next, type your new password. Make sure your new password is strong by using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then re-enter the new password to confirm it matches. Once everything is entered correctly, click the Save button. Microsoft will process the change and your Outlook password will be updated immediately. From now on, you'll need to use this new password to sign into Outlook and all other Microsoft services linked to your account. That's it, you've successfully changed your Outlook password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.